Happy holidays, everybody, and welcome back to The Home Bartender with Anne. Let's talk about today's cocktail, the Very Merry Bourbon Alexander. You know that I love a smooth, creamy cocktail, and the Bourbon Alexander is smooth and creamy and boozy and yummy. Today's cocktail is a play on a traditional brandy Alexander. So let's get right into the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make it coming up next. You will need 1 ounce of bourbon, 1 ounce of Creme De Cacoa, 1 ounce of half and half, 1 egg white, a dash of simple syrup, a dash of salt, and today we will garnish with nutmeg and a sprig of rosemary. All right, let's start with 1 full ounce of half and half, 1 full ounce of Creme De Cacoa. I'm using Tempest Puget today, but you can use whatever you have. 1 ounce of bourbon instead of brandy. Then we're going to add an egg white for further richness and body as well. Just a pinch of salt to balance things out and a dash, I'm going to eyeball it here, of simple syrup. All right, so first I'm going to dry shake this. Okay, then I'm gonna drop this little gadget that I have in the bottom. It kind of mimics like a Hawthorne strainer coil, and I just wanna see what it will do. And then let's get a piece of ice in there. 1 big block so that we don't have as many ice chips. Then I'm gonna shake this baby for a while. Let's see if that's enough. Let's get this into the glass. We're going to double strain this. All right. Then we're going to garnish with a little piece of rosemary and get some nutmeg over the top. If you had some cranberries, you could float them on the top as well. You could make a cute little design with your nutmeg, but that is a Very Merry Bourbon Alexander. All right, I'm delighted to try this cocktail for you. Right up top, you do smell that nutmeg, and that rosemary is right on the top as well. That makes it always feel like a holiday cocktail to me. Oh my God. Okay, you're gonna get that half and half consistently through this cocktail. It does coat your tongue, but it brings this sweetness that makes it so smooth. It's very good. The bourbon's right after that. That lends another kind of sweetness to the cocktail without taking away the richness of the original cocktail recipe, and it warms you up right away. And then there's this wonderful slight chocolate note from the Creme De Cacoa that comes in the middle. It does linger on your tongue because of the half and half, I think, but I love that complexity. It's dangerously good. And oh my goodness, it's super wonderful. It's perfect for a small gathering or for just a sipper by the fire. I found this recipe at townandcountrymagazine.com. If you've never been to their website, they actually post a lot of really fun articles there and cocktail recipes. So next week I'm going to post my video early so I can enjoy the holidays with my family. See you next Wednesday. Thanks for watching today and be well.